Hello, I'm Bill Terra. Every year I come to Portugal several times a year, and I'm always teaching on the macrobiotic levels course, which is great. These are courses that I love and have been doing now for 10 years at the IMP. But this year I wanted to do something a little bit different. And so I proposed doing a workshop called Turning the World Inside Out. And obviously people want to know what's in the workshop, what's the event about. And so I wanted to take just a few moments and tell you a little bit about it. Usually when you design a program, you start with questions that need answers or problems that are looking for solutions. And so my starting assumption is this, and that is that we're living in a particular time in history which is very, very unique. And it's very dangerous too. But that danger really puts forward some incredible possibilities to us. One thing that's certain, and that is that the dangers that we face and all of the environmental havoc that's being caused, the wars, the racial hatred, all of these things are all generated out of one thing, one species, and that's human beings. It's us. We're the problem. Right? So we're the problem that's affecting the whole planet at the same time. And all of those things are generated out of our consciousness. How do we see the world? How do we respond to the world? What are the emotional and mental and spiritual aspects of the ways that we think and the ways that we act? And so that's what this workshop is about. This workshop is about exploring all of those different aspects of our own psyche, our body, our spirituality, and looking for the things that we need to reset. Right? How do we deconstruct some of the limiting ways of thinking that we do on a day-to-day basis? How do we deconstruct some of our habits, both of thought and of action? And in order to do that, we're going to use some techniques of meditation. We're going to use some techniques of affirmation and visualization. We're going to have discussion and group process. And so the whole weekend is going to be an exploration of how we can better achieve our own human potential. That's what it's all about. So I hope that you can join me in May the 3rd and 4th in Lisbon. And if we get enough people, we can put together a really dynamic workshop, and we can not only learn more about ourselves and each other and the world that we live in, but we can also have a little fun along the way. So I look forward to seeing you there, I hope, and I'll talk to you then. Bye now.